Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to make asparagus. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of grated parmesan cheese, and 1 bundle of asparagus. Okay guys, so I cut off the end of my asparagus and I also washed them. You want to lay them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour over our olive oil on top of them. Then we're going to sprinkle our salt on top. Our ground black pepper. And also our garlic powder. And all you want to do is give that a good toss. You want to make sure everything is nicely coated. Okay guys, you want your oven preheated to 400 degrees. Now we're going to take our Parmesan cheese and we're just going to sprinkle it on top. Now they're ready to go into our oven at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have the perfect asparagus. It's soft with a little crunch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.